The Grasshopper is a classic cocktail with a creamy and minty flavor profile. Named for its green color, this drink is a delightful combination of crème de menthe, crème de cacao, and cream. You will need the following ingredients. 1 ounce green crème de menthe. Provides the minty flavor and signature green color. 1 ounce white crème de cacao. Adds a sweet chocolatey element. 2 ounces. Heavy cream. Creates the rich and creamy texture. For equipment you will need cocktail shaker, ice, strainer, martini glass or coupe. Here are the instructions. Fill the cocktail shaker with ice. Add green crème de menthe, white crème de cacao, and heavy cream to the shaker. Shake vigorously until the mixture is well chilled and frothy. Strain the mixture into a chilled martini glass or coupe. Optionally, garnish with a sprig of mint or grated chocolate. The Grasshopper Cocktail originated in the French Quarter of New Orleans at a bar called Tujagwe's. It became popular in the 1950s and 60s and is still enjoyed today for its unique and refreshing taste.